Hi, it's Hannah, and today I'm excited to share swatches of the Mexico City collection from OPI. These are their spring 2020 shades, and there are 12 polishes in total. So for all of these, I did 2 coats except for Mural on the Wall, since that one was a bit more sheer and needed 3. I really loved how these applied since the formula felt a little thicker and it went on super smooth. I'm polishing 4 shades to my hand, then at the end you'll see the full hand with top coat applied. So that's it for this collection. Leave a comment letting me know if you have any favorites. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye!